Welcome to my channel. RangeXTD WiFi Booster Review 2025. Does it really improve your Wi-Fi? 1. Check weak zones. Walk around your home and note the exact spots where your Wi-Fi signal becomes slow or unstable. 2. Plug in the booster. Connect the RangeXTD to a nearby socket so it can receive a clean and stable router signal during setup. 3. Start setup process. Use the WPS button or manual login method to pair the booster with your main Wi-Fi network. 4. Choose the best placement. Keep the booster midway between your router and the weak area for maximum signal extension. 5. Test signal strength. Go back to the weak zones and check if Wi-Fi bars and stability have increased after setup. 6. Check speed improvement. Open apps, stream videos, or run a quick speed test to confirm if performance has actually improved. 7. Reset if problems appear. If the booster drops connection, simply restart or reset and repeat the quick setup. 8. Know the booster's limit. Understand that RangeXTD extends coverage but cannot increase the speed provided by your ISP. 9. Expect varying results. Performance may differ based on wall thickness, distance, and home layout, so results are not the same for everyone. 10. Consider other options. If coverage is still weak, check better extenders from TP-Link or Netgear for stronger and more stable performance. Thanks for watching.